Hello guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today's your first time of seeing this video, you're highly welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video guys, I have a beautiful remedy how you can make your own sanitizer at home. So the first ingredients we're going to be using aloe vera. Okay guys, so we need 1 teaspoon of aloe vera. So guys, the second ingredient is gonna be witch hazel. That is how you are going to make your hand sanitizer guys. And you need a drop of tea tree oil. So you need up to 2 to 3 tea tree oil. And we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You can get any brand, but I recommend this. So to make your hand